Right, hi there, lovelies. So I'm going to paint a landscape, a classic English landscape today. And the colours that I'm using are ultramarine blue, lemon yellow, black, cream, yellow ochre, a pale blue that I've mixed, burnt umber, burnt sienna, and lemon yellow. If there's anything else, I'll let you know. So let's start by putting in, we're going to have a nice summer's day today. Acrylic paint on card, and it's going to be a classic landscape, English style landscape. I've sketched out where I want the sky to be, the foreground, the trees, and the fields. Okay, so let's have a little start off here. Now, I'm going to start by putting in some, I'm going to mix a light blue. I'm going to use cerulean, and I'm going to put just a tad black in it to make it, and some cream, of course, and to make it beautiful grey blue. Right, now I'm probably going to have to do 2 coats of this. That's where the trees are going to be. So I'll do 2 coats of it. And I like to use several different blues altogether. So there. And I always favour the grey blue. That's a lighter blue right there. Just whack it in there. Right. So I've got about 3 different shades of blue in that sky. A bit darker there. Just keep mixing till you like it. There. So you've got your very pale, you've got your grey blue, and you've got your more a darker blue. Let's just put that in there. I like that. And then we'll even do the lighter blue on the horizon. Let's do that. Let's go lighter on the horizon. Like it. Oh dear. Somebody's in trouble. Deep trouble. Let's try that. No. And let's let that dry. I think I like it. Yeah. There. Let's do that. Right. Right, I'm going to put in the trees. I'm going to mix a lovely lemon yellow, and I'm going to do it with some black. Let's, I'll probably go over this again. So there's one lot of, that's the cream. Nice light yellow. No, let's do it all light yellow. And then go over. Right, so I'm going to add a touch of black to that. And make a nice dark. Nice dark olive, really. Put some streaks in there too. And add a bit of blue to make a different green. There. Okay, so that's what we've got so far. Okay, bit more blue. Makes a nice green, that does. Right, let's add different, like I put a bit of the yellow ochre in there. Right, see how everything's patchy? That's what you want. You do not want all one flat colour in an Impressionist painting. Now we can go over that again as well. I've got a nice green somewhere. This is it's light olive, this one. I'll just put it on with my fingers. It's light olive. You can always add things to it, you know, like lines and stuff. Okay, right, that's your basic sketch. That is you've got three colours. That colour there is almost a lilac, and then you've got a pale blue, and then you've got a dark blue in there. So that's what we've got so far, right? Now, I think I'll start putting in the, let's see what I've got. I'm going to start putting in the hedgerows. And we'll go across here like this. Now, I've got a brown there. It's as simple as that. Just put some shapes. Make some nice shapes for hedgerows. Right, I want it darker than that, so I'll just go over with a bit of black. It's nice. So I've got both blue and sienna on my brush, as you can see, and it looks nice. I've got the two colours at the same time, you see. Very nice, very nice. Now, right, let's do that again and put a bit of black in it this time, and a bit of let's try some yellow ochre. You don't want to make it green. Bit of yellow ochre and a bit of cream. Right, now you've got those colours in there. Right, so now I'm going to start adding the blue and the black. What blue? Let's try, first of all, let's try the ultramarine. Ultramarine. Right, now what's next? I'm looking for, I'm searching for a brush. I quite like that. We're almost there. Almost there. And don't put the same amount of trees. If you have 2 trees there, put 1 there. If you have 3 there, put like 2 there or 4 there. You know what I mean? Keep it completely irregular, so they're not 1, 2, 3, 4. You know what I mean? Like that. So I just want to tart this sky up a little bit. Let's see. Running out of room here. Oh, there we are. I'll use that. Let's tart the sky up. Yes. Yes. You know instantly when you've got the right colour. Yeah. Now then, let's put in a couple of like fence post type of thing in this foreground just to give it a bit of interest. Okay, so I'm just using an acrylic ink. And don't make your fence posts all straight up, you know, make them a bit like as if they're gonna fall down. I'm not doing any more than that. Right, just do that. And then what I usually do is I use a pencil. See, don't try and, you know, and do them so that they're all sort of breaking down and stuff. And if you made them a bit light, sorry, a bit dark, just go over with your cream. There we are. So I hope you enjoyed that video. And if you did, it would be really lovely if you would like, share and subscribe to the channel. It's totally free. And the channel can also be supported by, let me put some green there. The channel can also be supported by pressing the thanks button. And with that, I'll say bye for now. And as always, love from the land of mist and legend. See you next time.